Interested? You want to step out and see the rain? It's raining outside. Roxy doesn't care. I want to see the rain. You don't want to see the rain, Maxie? What's going on with this camera?
By them, kind of allow them to do that. I think through their site, I imagine like on the back end, there's got to be something about like there's got to be like a Wyndham discount or something to be a partner. My guess, and they didn't say this directly, is that there's probably going to be some sort of like pay for play if you want to be included or not within the Wyndham portfolio.
I'm thinking about like paid partnerships for next year. Like I know that we're in a weird space of like paid and earned, but I think bringing that nugget is like maybe we should look into travel leisure or like have their media team like look into that for X, Y, Z reason. I mean, to me this feels like the future of like where we're getting with like actual products and affiliate links on the travel restriction.
And she said, quote unquote, with flexibility and honesty before she dropped off. And that's all we got. So but you know, not a surprising answer.
So I found a spot in the shade. It's really sunny out here, but it feels like fall. Can you hear the wind? I'm so excited. So we're taking the dogs for a walk during the day because this is the first time we could do this since like April, and it's September, the last week of September. I'm waiting on Alex to get his shades out of the house and to bring mine, and we're gonna take them on a longer walk today, and I'm so excited. I've like even cleared my calendar for work because I'm excited about the weather. Plus I have videos to edit. I'm just behind. I've been focusing too much on work and not enough on me lately, which I guess I'm privileged to be able to say. Hey. Oh, Sky. Max, what are you rolling in? Come on, Max. Wave.
Wave, Mama. Oh, wave. That ain't waving.
Oh, that's cute. Where's the price? Hey, Rocky.
Yep. Thank you.
All right, come on.
Total 57.
Okay.
Still gonna check on my
Oh my god. Okay. Oh. We just spent, I think, maybe an hour at the reservoir. It's starting to cool off, but it's not quite as cool as I like it. So we're still just pacing ourselves. I think we've been here an hour. Now we're about to head out. We usually get, look at Maxie. He hasn't been hopping since we've been here, really. But we usually get Sonic, like a slushie or ice cream or a Frappuccino from Starbucks when we leave. So we're probably going to do that and head home and just going to relax. It's very much a lazy Saturday. I don't know if I said Sunday or not, but it's Saturday. But yeah, so it's our favorite time of year. We can actually be outside. I think it's like 80 degrees, so it's still kind of warm for me, but it still feels very good for where we live. So when I get home today, I'm planning vacation, and what are we doing? We're doing 3 different things in October, November, and December, so I need to plan that out and be done with it, and everything should be finalized by the end of this coming week. But other than that, we're just chilling today. I don't see Max anymore. Where is he? Yeah, I have to turn because Max is twisting me. But yeah, so very easy Saturday, which I very much needed. And my office starts 4-day work week next week or the week after. So I'm in an overall good mood and just trying to plan out our vacation and get things going. Right, Max?
What?
The food where the first ingredient is grain. The food they eat. Seconds, okay? Stop moving your hand. Stop.
I'm trying to order.
Alex, stop.
I'm not moving.
You're trying to be mean. I need B-roll for my monthly vlog because I didn't vlog at all this month.
I just thought about your monthly vlog having you in the same outfit. Just a ton of footage.